Inspiration can breathe new life into your world. Let's reimagine the possibilities. Introducing the Narwhal Freo Z10. Designed to handle any hairy situation. It stays tangle-free no matter what you get wrapped up in. It goes where you need and reaches those spots you might miss, getting into hard-to-reach areas to deliver a deep clean. Covering every corner and every edge. Built for both hard and soft surfaces, it delivers up to 15,000 pascals of suction power, which comes in handy when dealing with heavy-duty cleanups. Even in a complex environment, it's able to navigate and clean alongside any obstacle. And with Dirt Sense, you can be sure it won't quit until the job is done. Inside the powerful base station, a comprehensive system ensures the Narwhal Freo Z10 stays clean after every job and compacts waste with efficiency for up to 120 days. So, are you ready to reimagine your space? Refresh your space. Reimagine clean.